Can newbies really mine? Welcome back to WOYU channel. This episode is about the growth path of a miner, combining my own personal experience. I will share the 4 stages of becoming a miner. Can newbies really mine? This question has kept many friends interested in cryptocurrency from entering. Newbies definitely can mine. Moreover, mining is very interesting and simple. The barrier to entry is not as high as everyone imagines. Let's get to the key points first. Professional mining rigs, also known as ASIC miners, generally have a payback period of about 1.5 years, while home mining rigs have a payback period of about 3 years. Many friends think that mining has a high barrier to entry, that the machines are expensive, and that it's an industry requiring substantial financial resources to enter. But actually, that's not the case. A mining rig itself has a very simple structure. It is just composed of 4 parts: hash boards, control board, power supply, and fans. Its only function is to compute. It constantly calculates to solve for a block, and thus obtain the miner's reward. Its job is only to solve mathematical problems. You just need to power it on, configure your wallet and mining pool address, and it will automatically start working. The first stage of a miner. Newbie miner. I'll use Bitcoin mining as an example. You are a newbie, but right now, you don't want to invest a lot of money and effort into mining because you don't understand the industry. Then you will start with a solo miner, which we commonly call a lottery machine. This kind of machine generally costs from a few dollars to tens of dollars. It's affordable because lottery machines have relatively low hash rate. Their price is generally relatively cheap. Let me take a Bitax Gamma 601 as an example. Its hash rate is 1.2T, with a power consumption of about 17 watts. Compared to the entire Bitcoin network's hash rate of 1.1 ZH or S, it is indeed a very low hash rate. This kind of silent and low power consumption machine is very suitable for newbies to start with, as a tool for exploration and getting started, whether it's this kind of low-priced lottery machine, or when you progress to the point of using professional ASIC mining farm machines. Their back-end configuration is the same. The mining principle is the same. Therefore, it is a type of machine very suitable for newbies to start with. If you want to start mining, you must do it yourself. Owning a miner yourself is the way to quickly get started and understand the mining industry. For specific operational steps, you can check out my previous videos. At this stage, the miners you encounter are basically solo miners. That means your hash rate does not cooperate with other miners for mining, but it's just like a lottery ticket. Once you can solve a Bitcoin block, it means you alone can get 3.125 Bitcoin, which is a reward worth about $330,000 USD. After you have experienced solo miners for a while, you will gradually learn about miscellaneous knowledge like cryptocurrency, mining, POS. You will also come into contact with more machines with higher hash rates. Then you will slowly enter the next stage, junior miner. In this stage, you will learn about home mining rigs. If the solo miner you started with was 1.2T, the daily income was about $0.06 USD. Then when you move to a home miner, like an Avalon 90T version, your income will reach $4.34 USD. You will feel the passive income brought by static returns. As your paper profits get higher and higher, you will realize that one home miner is not enough. You will slowly add more machines. Adding 1 or 2 initially won't affect your living environment much, or the noise issue. But as your machines increase, the ensuing problems are your ambient temperature and electricity bill. Although home miners' power consumption isn't particularly high, once the number of machines increases, and they run 24 hours a day, the temperature at home will inevitably keep rising, affecting your quality of life. Another problem is that home electricity bills are basically tiered pricing. So when your monthly electricity usage becomes more and more, you will do the math and find that the coins you mined might not even cover the electricity bill. At that point, you will doubt why you are mining and also making the house hot. you will start thinking about entering the third stage, retail miner. By this time, you can basically confirm that mining can indeed bring you some passive income, but the cost of mining at home is too high. So you will enter the next stage, ASIC miners. I call this third stage the retail miner stage. Mining rig hosting is basically the choice for most retail miners. The most important aspects of hosting are stability, electricity cost, and the professionalism of operations and maintenance. I divide the safety of the site into two aspects. One is the security level. You don't want your miners to be stolen one day, or for any accidents to happen. The second is the stability of the power supply. Can it meet the standard? If it frequently has power outages, like power is out 1/3 of the day, then your payback period will also lengthen. Regarding electricity price, generally the price at mining farms is a fixed value. For example, around $0.06, compared to the tiered pricing of home electricity bills. The mining farm has a fixed rate. During machine operation, various sudden situations are inevitable. For example, a hashboard or power supply fails. Then you need to consider whether the hosting site has professional O&M that can help you deal with the problem promptly. Otherwise, your repair might take a round trip of a month or even longer. When machines have problems, having professional O&M on site that can respond to your needs promptly is a very important matter. After all, you don't want your machines to be running and then be offline for a month, 2 months, or even longer in between. After a period of exploration, you will arrive at the final stage of a miner, the old money miner. These miners are usually capital rich, or are veteran miners who started very early. When their capital accumulates to a certain scale, they will, based on their own situation or needs, build their own mining farms. This should be the ultimate dream of every miner. That's all for this video's sharing. If you have anything else you want to share about mining, welcome to leave a message and exchange ideas in the comment section. At the same time, we are also running hosting projects and have promotional offers for hosting. Interested friends can also send a private message or leave a comment. See you in the next episode.